Okay, so this has been my setup for the past 6 months or so. And today we are going dirt biking. And so we gathered everything up. Of course, the gas generator to power the electric dirt bike. I know. But let's go ahead and set everything up and head out. We're rolling, baby. Oh yeah. If you park and don't look back at your rig, that means you bought the wrong rig. So we're on our way to my old lady's house for a pit stop for a night, and then we're gonna be packing up her bike as well and heading out. So let's hit the road, guys. I just missed my exit, and now I have to get back on the highway, but it's 18 miles away. 18 miles away. 18 miles. Oh my god. All right, well, we're almost there. Check out all these cool bikes that she has. I actually made this bike for her, this fixed gear. And of course she's, done stuff to it over the years. And then we got the full suspension carbon bike here. But the star of the show is, ooh la la, look at the view right from the bedroom. Let's go ahead and check out her other bikes. We got the Santa Cruz. It's like a mullet style, big tire in the front. I think it's a 29 and a 27 in the rear. I think it costs more than the Talaria XXX, I believe. But there it is as well. And then she has a hardtail mountain bike. I told her no more bikes. So Eagle has a population of 7,500 people, and I noticed that there's a bunch of new construction here for apartments and condos and stuff, and that is supposed to be for all the Vail workers, like the lifties, the janitors, the maids and stuff, to actually have some place that's affordable. But I don't even think these new places are going to be affordable for these workers. We're missing time for a beautiful sunset. Oh man, so much privacy out here. Look how much real estate we have, guys. And nobody's over there. Alright, let's shut her down and settle in. Oh yes, this is one of my favorites. The shrimp Alfredo. The noodles, all that. Okay. Good morning, Vietnam.
Good morning, Vietnam!
First thing in the morning, gotta handle your business. Some of you guys have seen this video that I've done on this fancy ass toilet. I finally got a chance to use it out in the wild. Yes, it's a go. After real world use, girlfriend loves it. Of course, man. Of course.
I love it.
I love the damn thing. I mean, here it's like, it's so easy just to dig a hole, right? But you're not supposed to do that.
Yeah.
So, that toilet. Once I sat down on it, I understood.
Once you sat down.
Yeah.
The sun on, the sun on your back, the
Right.
breeze hitting you.
Yeah. Well, also because of the platform. Like, it's so, like, stable and comfortable to compared to that plastic thing. Your buns are barely touching the thing. This has a much bigger throne, you know. Yes, I will say it's an expensive proposition to get into initially. You know, the price to buy this thing is expensive, but the consumables aren't. They're a quarter. So, you know, use a quarter to use the facilities, or 50 cents. That's not bad to poop like a king on a throne while you look over your kingdom. We have been loving it. These are way better than vaulted toilets where, you know, it's just a hole with a bunch of poop and nastiness in there. This is way better. Besides the fact that you have to haul out your own poop. If you're at a place like this that is, you know, leave no trace, you handle your business with this toilet, gather up all your poop at the end, put all those poops in a bag, and you're done. There is no more like, you know, that moment of dread where you have to use the bathroom like, oh shoot. No, you don't feel that at all. All you have to do is you just go. Just like you're at home. You don't even think about it, right? So that's the whole point of these guys, is that you remove that little bit of dread of having to use the bathroom. This is such a nice experience. Hit a button and you're done.
Are we
Fun stuff.
rolling
We're
now?
rolling, baby.
Oh, hey.
Hi.
So I'm Berta from Boise, and this is my adventure van built by Off Highway. So this, and then this is the Rome Rest mattress. It's very comfortable, and they say it's a little bigger than a queen.
This is very nice. 2 people for sure are comfortable in here.
Yes, I agree.
Beautiful. Look at all the sunlight you get in here. Beautiful stars at night. Oh, does it open up, or is it just okay?
No, it's fixed, which is fine because I don't need a potential leak, you know?
Yeah.
And then it does have Starlink,
Yeah.
but I'm going to change it to a mini. You know, I'm not a heavy Starlink user, so I'd like to have the mini where I could, you know, move it from this van to, we also have a truck and trailer. My husband likes the trailer. So we're going to do like a 6-week trip when we go to Iowa, and then we're going on a canoe trip up in Minnesota, Canada, the Boundary Waters. So it'll be a big trip.
That is cool. Well, okay. Well, we're just settling in. Thanks so much for showing us your van.
Yeah.
Really gorgeous.
I'm glad you're interested.
Here's all the goodies. And then just storage down below, right?
Oh yeah, it has a slide out bike tray.
Oh, okay.
And also it has lithionic batteries.
Oh, yeah. So then I'm assuming it charges itself while you're driving?
Yes.
Yeah. Or maybe you have some solar
And
up
I
here.
have some solar.
Yeah. No, this is gorgeous.
Yeah, the woodwork's nice.
Really cool. Very livable space. I never get a chance to look around in these. So this is cool.
Well, if you go to the Adventure Van Expos, there's a lot of vans to look at. There's vendors, there's home builds.
Yeah, I mean, these seats are definitely custom, right? I mean,
Yeah, they're
they don't come normally like this, right?
I think, yeah, these are like upholstered with a little extra cushion.
Mm-hmm. The extra, yeah. And look at the sky dome. Oh, man. That would be a selling point for me, too.
Oh, also,
That would
I'd
be
like
so
to point
cool.
out, these are Inhabit mats.
Uh-huh.
And this company is amazing. They fit nice. They clean up really nice.
Oh, yeah, right.
And they're in Oregon, and they're really good people.
So you can keep this area nice and clean.
Yeah, these just pull out,
yeah,
and you
pull
could
the whole
clean
thing
them
out.
or wash them. And they come in many, many colors. Oh, and then I have the Gerard awning.
Yeah.
So it's a legless awning. Have you seen these?
Legless.
Huh?
I don't think so.
Or armless. Shower curtain. And then but see those 4 black things? You hang a shower curtain up there.
Oh, yeah.
Tub, sorry.
Okay.
And then this hooks up to the shower,
Oh, got
and
you.
it's right here. So if it's really cold out, you could take a shower indoor instead of outdoor.
Right in front of the vent, makes sense. Yeah, I love all the aluminum outside too. All the Owl Van stuff for your things you want to keep outside, or things that with the bike or whatever. You know,
Yeah,
little storage.
sometimes I put the bike inside, but then with the new Owl, this is the B2 door carrier. It's pretty sturdy.
Yeah.
This is the first time I've used it, so we'll see.
Off-highway van. There she goes. On the 144 wheelbase.
Oh, I have the Warren winch too.
Got the Warren winch.
Yeah.
Got to, just in case.
Just in case.
Pull yourself out. Yeah, thanks so much for showing us around.
Okay, thank you.
We're just getting started and haven't had breakfast yet. Just getting some ice going. Got the ice maker. Fill up all the waters because it's gonna be a hot one today, boys. It's gonna be a hot one. It's like 80 plus and in the sun. But as you're riding and using this bodega cooler, remember I did a video on that. And then I also still have this ice cold refrigerator. I also did a video on this too. I still use these things. And then the isotherm. And of course this side is just all snacks and dry goods. When we go out, we make sure we have enough food because trying to get food out here is kind of a pain in the butt to pack up. And last night around midnight, these fools pulled up. So I think I might repark the truck this way so I have an unobstructed view. We're gonna get the bikes going and then hit the trails. Wow. Nice job.
You too, honey.
Oh, shit. Oh. Hey. Yeah, you want to put your bike down? Yeah, let's try and get the bike over there.
I got it.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, cool.
Alright?
Yeah.
Not too sandy, huh?
It just kind of got caught in this. Okay, thanks.
Looks like a soft landing though.
Yeah, no, it didn't hurt. Thanks for coming back for me.
For you?
This massive rock just somehow starts levitating. Shit. Yeah. Oh, fuck, man.
Nice job, hun.
Huh?
Nice job.
That part's tricky.
Yeah? Yeah.
Oh, man.
Now I'm thinking, how do we get back up?
Do you have to go back up that?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
You know, if it gets too crazy, we'll just turn around, babe.
Yeah. Woo! Oh yeah, look at that. make hash browns over here. Yeah, because I had a splitting headache. I don't know how you ever got that before.
I've had split headaches. It's no fun.
But it was almost like a helmet-induced headache or something.
You think that's what happened?
Or something, because like I would touch certain parts of my head and it would hurt.
We've had this helmet for a while though. We've ridden like in it forever.
Maybe it's nothing to do with the helmet. It just certain parts of my brain was like, zzz, zzz, like lightning strikes in my head. It would hurt. So I was like, as soon as we're ready to go to bed, I was like, let's go to bed.
Yeah, I could tell your eyes were barely stayed open.
That's my number one cure to everything. Just take a nap. Try to sleep it off. E-bike being charged, and this over here, this is the look of defeat after realizing we have to charge the e-bikes. How you doing? I'm sorry, babe, I should have charged your bike. I forgot. Checking out her van and moving all her stuff.
Hello, we're on this e-bike trip. We need it to be charged.
Well, actually, I was charging my bike last night. We were supposed to charge this thing this morning, but we got so caught up with trying to move campsites, we forgot to charge up her e-bike. So we're charging it up now. It's gonna take a while. She's at 38%, and we're thinking about doing about 35 miles today in this big loop thing, but maybe we might not be able to do that. I don't have my helmet on yet. Always do this. Always in a rush to go. So here's another meal. This is just Trader Joe's Taiwanese green onion pancakes with some eggs, ham, more green onions, and some cilantro. So I made a video about this internet service here, this Connect 10. It works great. We've been streaming a bunch of videos and are connected 24/7 with this. Not a lot of people watch that video, but this does work.